heard it in the empty spaces, a sound that didn't feel like mine. A whisper hiding in the corners, waiting for the perfect time. It followed every step I took, a shadow made a memory, a voice that wasn't loud at all but still kept calling out to me. I tried to walk away from it, and it wasn't real, but every time I turned around, it echoed through the still. There's an echo that sounds like me, calling from a place I used to be. Soft but getting closer now, like it's trying to set me free. There's an echo that sounds like me, pulling at the parts I never see. I don't know what it wants yet, but it's not letting me. I hear it when the night gets quiet, when everything begins to slow. A tone that feels familiar from a life I used to know. It rises when I'm losing focus, it fades when I pretend I'm fine, but every time I breathe again, it falls back into low. Tried to walk away from it, pretend it wasn't real, but every time I turned around, it echoed through the still. There's an echo that sounds like me, coming from a place I used to be. Soft but getting closer now, like it's trying to set me free. There's an echo that sounds like me, pulling at the parts I never see. I don't know what it wants yet, but it's not letting me. Echoes in the quiet, echoes in the day.